All right, a look around.
Yes, of course. Yeah. It's probably the smallest museum in the country, actually, this one, because it's only 9 foot square. So we change the display every month. So this month is to do with the First World War.
Very good boy.
You did amazingly. Feet on the table. Off the table, please. Feet off the table. Good boy.
How's your belly feeling?
And then feeling full. That's so tasty, wasn't it?
Thank you, Rita. Good random spot.
Round one.
I'd like to go to the... Oh, you cheeky kids. You went, okay. And then you go back and through this back.
Need to wipe your mouth, Sharon.
Here. Can we push hold up and see if you leave the tomato? There. 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 There, Roger. I know I'm sitting next to you. Come on. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Boo! That's what Daddy's got.
That not? Oh, no. Very small. Thank you very much. I can hear it, but I can't see it. Where is it? What's that? Very good. We got it in. Oh, I hear it again. Is that not real? Oh!
Sharon, look like your face.
So good. Come. That's what you meant. For a bit being juiced up. No, I'm wiping it.
I think it was just the vibe.
Have you seen the picture of Cowden, which burnt down in 1793? Just round the corner is a big picture.
I'm going to
before,
take
just
it
round
off.
to the left here.
Yes, thank you. Æri leiðinda hundur hérna, gammandi og gammandi.
Very good.
Svo hérna minnsta safn. Já, allavega nú. You hear me here?